Here is our SLH circuit using by NAND Gates. Two NAND gates are used in this circuit. One of the output of this NAND gate is connected to other's input. There is two switch that we can change the input from 0 volt to 1 volt and 1 volt to 0 volt. And these two LED indicates the output condition. Currently, two inputs are connected to 0 volts, and the output will be for Q prime one and Q also 1, because anything ends with 0 becomes 1 in the output. You can see when I run the circuit, as I was expecting before, the same thing is happened now. 0 NANDs anything becomes the output 1, and this LED is turned on. 0 NANDs 1 becomes the output 1, and this LED turned on. So when I change the position, the input of NAND gate 2 from 0 to 1, like from 0 volts to 5 volts, I can expect this one will be 1, and 1 and 1 becomes the output 0, and this output 0 0 will be 1 here, and then this LED will stay in turned on position, and this LED gonna be turned off. So I see Q prime is 0 and Q is 1, what I was expecting before. In this case, the LED for Q1 is turned on, that means it indicates the latch is in set position, and the Q prime is turned off. So if I change the input of NAND gate 1 from 0 to 1 volt, what will be the output in this section? The output will not be changed, because this S prime will be 1 and there is 0, so 0 NANDs 1 will be the output 1. See, 0 NANDs 1, the output is 1. So I'm changing the output as many times as I want, but the output is not changing. I'm changing the input, but the output is not changing. It's left in set position. So if I change the input of this NAND gate 2 from 5 volts to 1 volts, 5 volts to 0 volts, and 0 NANDs 1 become the output 1, and this LED will be turned on, and 1 and 1 will be output 0, so this LED will be turned off. You can see this is turned on, Q prime is 1, and this is turned off, Q is 0, as we can see from the truth table as well. So in this case, if I change the input as many times as I want, the output is not changing. Its last 2 is reset position. This state we can say the reset state.